Kia ora guys, welcome to another video session. Today we are looking at coordinating conjunctions. Let's get into it. First of all, what are conjunctions? A conjunction is a linking word. Its main job is to link different parts of sentences. Ka pai? So, coordinating conjunctions link two words, phrases, or clauses that are equally important. And these are the conjunctions that you need to master. For and nor, but, or, yet, so. For and nor, but, or, yet, so. And they're known as the FANBOYS. Let's check out an example. A zebra has black and white stripes. What's the conjunction in that sentence? The conjunction and links the words black and white. Both the words black and white are of equal importance. Let's share another example. I enjoy watching quiz shows, but I hardly even know the answers. The conjunction but joins a pair of clauses. Each clause makes sense on its own, but the conjunction adds a link, helping the words flow more smoothly. For example, I enjoy watching quiz shows, full stop. That makes sense on itself. I hardly even know the answers. That makes sense on its own. But the word but in between them makes that whole passage of writing flow a bit better. Alright, let's check out some more examples. The editing's a bit funny there, but we'll persevere. The bowl of squid eyeball stew is hot and delicious. The word and is the conjunction, and it's joining hot or linking hot and delicious together. It's describing the bowl of squid eyeball stew. Hot and delicious are of equal importance. Alright, check out the next one. The squid eyeball stew is so thick that you can eat it with a fork or spoon. Again, the coordinating conjunction is or. Rocky, my orange tomcat, loves having his head scratched, but hates getting his claws trimmed. But is the coordinating conjunction there. Rocky terrorizes the poodle next door, yet adores the German shepherd across the street. The coordinating conjunction yet joins those two clauses together. Alright, last one. Rocky refuses to eat dry cat food. I'll start again. Rocky refuses to eat dry cat food, nor will he touch a saucer of squid eyeball stew. Again, nor links them together. Kia ora guys, I want you to highlight where you have used conjunctions, FANBOYS in your writing. Cheers.